Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I kind of have slight OCD tendencies. So we have this fancy black flashlight that will find all the hidden spills and nasties. So recently, my son has been in charge of cleaning the toilets, and he doesn't like me hanging over his shoulder, but I can go in after he's done and make sure he did a great job with this. So I don't know, you may or may not want to know all the hidden nasties in your house, but if you're looking for a stain, this is a great way to find it. My husband will also use this for playing disc golf at night. He has one specific disc that will illuminate if you shine a black light on it for a short period of time, so he can see his discs. So it's really helpful to have this around the house for a wide variety of reasons. If maybe you have an antifreeze leak or something in your car, this is gonna help you find it as well. So who knew a little flashlight could cover such a wide variety of things, from pee to disc golf? I mean, it's pretty handy to have, so you should check it out. And that's my point of view.